guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this vegetarian gravy version, which is really good, and I would highly recommend you try this out. It was so delicious, and yeah, just try it. You want to start out with some carrots, and you want to cut that into very small pieces. Then you want to take your pan and add those carrots into that. You want to cut down an onion as well into smaller pieces. And throw that in there as well with some oil. Next up, you want to cut up some mushrooms. Meanwhile, your oil should be sizzling with the carrots. You can open your wine now and put that to the side. Here you can see what's happening in the pan right now. You also want to prepare some vegetable stock and put that to the side. And when you feel like you're getting somewhere, you want to add your mushrooms into that. And also some garlic. You can see what it looks like. And now you're ready to add your wine as well as your vegetable stock. Now you want to let that boil for a couple of minutes. You want to add some piment, some oregano, a little bit of pepper, some salt, a little bit of brown sugar as well for the sweetness. Then you want to add some mustard and a little bit of portwine. Some tomato paste, and I don't know what this is called, but I will put it down below with the ingredients. Now you want to add some starch and you want to mix that in and just let that boil for a little bit longer. And when you think you're ready, you want to go ahead and puree that. So this is what the sauce should look like in the end. So now you can go ahead and serve it with anything that you want to serve it with. We had it with some dumplings and I showed you that recipe last week. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you tried, let me know if you liked it. Now we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye!